All right, what is going on, guys? So in today's video, I want to show you guys the Apple AirTags. You've probably seen plenty of videos, but I finally got these in today. So let's just go ahead and get with the unboxing. I don't think this is going to be anything too long because honestly, it's just a tracking device built into the Apple ecosystem. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get this unboxed. So let's get the actual AirTag unboxed first. Am I dumb? How do I not know how to open this? Now, I know a lot of people are putting this on their key, but the thing is, I don't lose my keys. I would say just invest in a key rack, like $5. You'll never lose your keys again. Trust me. But yeah, this is the Apple AirTag. As you can see, it's actually a lot slimmer than I thought it would be. Let me go ahead and take this off. Oh, you gotta actually pull the tab out to get the battery out, so. Oh, I don't know if you guys heard that little noise. So there's already a fingerprint on it. Kind of annoying. This is more than likely gonna go in my wallet, but let me go ahead and get my iPhone out and see if I can set this up real quick. So yeah, just like that, Apple AirTag. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect. This is more than likely gonna go in my wallet. Whoa, you gotta, don't show my information. Jeez. Okay, so they have instructions and whatnot on how to set it up, but if you have an Apple device, just bring it nearby, and honestly, you're good to go. So let me view in the Find My apps super quick. So I'm actually gonna play a noise. I don't wanna show you guys my address, so. All right, that's good. Yeah, directions. It just shows you the directions on the map. Yeah, this is all it really shows in terms of where it'll show on the map. It's as if you're sharing your location with someone and they give you their location and then you do directions too. That's pretty much all it really is. But let me see, how do you actually get the battery out? It's probably super simple. I'm sure there are instructions, but it cannot be that hard. I'm an idiot, I'm not doing this. Where are thou instructions? Push the battery compartmenter, then turn counterclockwise with 2 thumbs and release with rotation. Oh, that's so simple. So every time you put in the battery, that's when it turns on. So I guess I just push and then twist like so. Then I twist, and just like that. Safe. Doesn't smell like anything. All right, let's move on to the leather key ring, because I actually want to see what it looks like. I know people are getting the Hermes one, but I don't got money for that. Let's see here. This is what the leather key ring looks like. Pretty simple, sleek. Smells like cheap leather, honestly. Like the worst kind of leather. It'll do though. Let me just slide this bad boy in, and I just realized there's something in my eye. God help me. Oh my God, it's like in my eyeball. So let me just wipe this down. I will admit, it does look pretty clean inside the leather key ring, but I'm not gonna put these on my keys just because I don't lose my keys. I don't lose my keys. I lose my wallet all the time. To be honest, I have no idea where my wallet is right now. But yeah, these are Apple AirTags. Pretty simple. Nothing that needs to be stretched out to, you know, like a 15-minute video. You know who I'm talking about. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Now, I probably should say that if you have the iPhone 11 or above, that's where you're gonna get the directional arrows for where this is specifically, because it has that ultra wide band chip on the iPhone 11 and above. But if you have the iPhone 10s or below, you're not gonna be able to get that feature. It's just gonna show it on the map, play the sound and whatnot. But yeah, Apple AirTag. I guess if you're in the Apple ecosystem and you have $30 to burn and you lose stuff, go ahead. But I mean, this is definitely an accessory that I don't think is a necessity for everyone. Does this give me more peace of mind in terms of if I were to lose my wallet, I can just ping it? Yes, obviously. But do I think you need to go out of your way, you know, trample over, well, you can't trample over people because of COVID, but should you go out of your way to buy this just for the sake of never losing your wallet again? I guess so. I don't think this is that crazy of a device. It's just built into the Apple ecosystem. But all of that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing experience of the AirTag. No offense, if you think I'm unimpressed, it's because I am unimpressed, because it's not anything that's revolutionary or innovative. It's literally just Apple taking technology that already exists and making it their own. So if I seem uninterested, it's because I am. I'm not gonna try and fake and be like, oh my God, this is amazing. It's literally a tracking device, and these have existed for quite some time. Honestly, this would be a nice decor piece to just hang up back here. Honestly, yeah, it's not a bad idea, but wow, even the keyring itself says designed by Apple. I'll show you guys real quick. So at the top right here, it says designed by Apple in California. But yeah, anyway, with all that being said, guys, I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing experience, because for me, this was pretty lackluster. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Really, at this point, I'm just waiting for the new iPads and iMacs. I'm gonna be going crazy when those come in. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Much love. Okay, I've officially lost this thing.